Hello everyone, मेरो नाम चाहिँ Bibek and currently I am in Australia pursuing my master's degree in business analytics, and I am also a current student of Broadway Infosys, so I am doing SQL and Power BI Broadway Bada because it is one of the most important skills to have for data analytics. So मैले मेरो bachelor's चाहिँ 2018 मा सकाएको थिएँ and I did my bachelor's in business administration, and then really my career started after I did digital marketing course from Broadway Infosys back in 2018. So 2-3 months ko course थियो, and then the HR from Broadway, they helped me get an internship, अनि त्यसपछि I did like 3 months internship, and then that's how my career took off. So I've been working with national and international brands for over 5 years. So त्यही 5 years को time frame ma I realized that I love data and I had passion for data. त्यही भएर to continue that passion, so I came to abroad for my studies, as I mentioned earlier, in business analytics. So business बाट चाहिँ अनि IT मा ट्रान्जिसन गर्न इट्स अ प्यासन द्याट मोटिभेटेड मी. त्यही जस्ट एउटा ट्रान्जिसन गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ देयर इज वान स्केरी पार्ट कि अबाउट प्रोग्रामिङ ल्याङ्ग्वेज टेक्नोलोजी होइन. जस्तै बिजनेस स्टुडेन्ट्सलाई त कोडिङहरू त खासै त्यस्तो आउँदैन नि त लगभग धेरै जसोलाई होइन. And then before coming here, I studied the course, course structure in UTS, like what are they going to teach, the course syllabus and everything. So I prepared myself, and त्यसपछि I did R programming in Broadway Infosys, and then it helped me a lot during my studies, especially in R.